With the increase of carbon emissions into our atmosphere, scientists are looking for solutions to stop the steep increase. If we don't do anything soon, the future of human health is on the line. This is why Kayla, Jacqueline, and Billy want to introduce an alternate energy source, the pipeline. The pipeline is used to transport goods through a pipe, mostly liquids and gases. Any chemically stable substance can be sent through a pipeline. The most valuable pipelines transport crude and refined petroleum. To help you understand more about the pipeline, we think it is appropriate to talk to you about the components that make up a pipeline. The first component is called the initial injection station. It is known as supply or an inlet station, and it is the beginning of the pipeline system, where the product is injected into the line. Storage facilities, pumps, or compressors are usually located at these stations. The next component of a pipeline is the compressor. It pumps for liquid pipelines, and they are located along the line to move the product through the pipeline. These are generally used for liquid pipelines, like I previously said. The next part is called the partial delivery station. It is also known as the intermediate station. These facilities allow the pipeline operator to deliver part of the product being transported. Another component is called the block valve station. This is known as the first line of protection for pipelines, and these stations are located every 20 to 30 miles. The next component is called the regulator station. It is a special type of valve station where the operator can release some pressure on the pipeline. It is usually located at the downhill side of a peak. The final component is called the final delivery station. It is known as outlet stations or terminals, and this is where the product will be distributed to the consumer. There are 3 known types of pipeline transportation. The first type is called gathering. This is a group of smaller interconnected pipelines forming complex networks with the purpose of bringing crude oil or natural gas from several wells to a treatment plant or processing facility. The second type is called transportation. Transportation is made up of long pipes, and long pipes transport oil, gas, and refined products between cities, countries, and even continents. The next type is called distribution. This is composed of several interconnected pipelines with small diameters used to take products to the final consumer. The pipeline technology started to come out around the 1860s. Dmitry Mendeleev, known for his work in organizing the periodic table, was one of the scientists to first suggest the idea of a pipeline that would be able to transport goods to one place from another. However, the first modern pipeline was created by Vladimir Shukhov, which crossed a 6-mile track from Pennsylvania to a railroad station in Oil Creek. This happened in the 1860s. After the arrival of the pipeline, many people looked at it as an advancement in technology. Many people liked the idea of a pipeline. However, now today, it is a very controversial topic. Scientists are debating whether the pipeline is the best solution to the problem on hand. Despite the controversy, the pipeline also brings many benefits. One of these benefits is that it will create an estimate of 20,000 jobs. Right now, many individuals are struggling to find jobs to support themselves and their family, and the pipeline technology will help solve that issue. Most nations have the pipeline technology, but it is not similar across the nations because it depends what is being transported. Some pipelines are only meant to carry liquids and gas, while others can carry solids.